In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for event planning fast and easy. In the world of event planning, staying organized is key, and Monday.com is a tool that streamlines this process beautifully. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, you can manage every detail with precision. Let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll want to create a board for event milestones. Think of this board as your command center. It acts as a visual roadmap for your entire event. To set this up, start by opening Monday.com and creating a new board. Label it something relevant to your event, perhaps including the date or the name of the event itself. This board will serve as the backbone of your planning process, where you can outline all the major milestones that lead up to the event day. Having these milestones clearly defined helps you stay on track and ensures nothing falls through the cracks as you get closer to the big day. Next, it's time to add vendors, schedules, and budgets to your board. This is where you lay out the groundwork for everything your event will require. You can create columns for each category, vendors, schedules, and budgets, and fill in the necessary details. List out all the vendors you'll be working with, your schedule leading up to and during the event, and the budget you have allocated for various aspects. Each entry in your board should contain all the relevant information you need, such as contact details, payment schedules, and dates or deadlines. This step is crucial for ensuring that all logistical considerations are neatly organized and easily accessible. As you have everything laid out, using the timeline view is an excellent way to track deadlines. To access this feature, simply switch the view on your board to Timeline. This turns your milestone board into a dynamic visual calendar, making it much easier to oversee deadlines and manage your team's workload. By seeing everything laid out in a timeline, you can better coordinate tasks, avoid overlaps, and ensure everyone is aware of upcoming deadlines. It's a powerful tool for keeping the whole team aligned and aware of project timelines, allowing you to spot potential bottlenecks well ahead of time. As tasks move toward completion, make sure to update statuses regularly. Monday.com makes it easy to update task statuses with just a click. Mark them as in progress, done, or stuck, depending on their status. This keeps everyone involved on the same page and helps to quickly identify any areas needing additional focus or resources. Keeping statuses updated is a way to maintain transparency and momentum throughout the planning process. By following these steps on Monday.com, you can streamline your event planning process, keep everything organized, and ensure a smooth and successful event execution. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.